Hello everyone and welcome to this quick video. I will show you how to return item after purchase on Zara. So guys, to return item on Zara platform, this is the Zara platform. What you have to do, you must manage return before established deadline. And online shopping, you have 30 days from the shipping data of your order and shop at physical store. And the item must be the original condition and include all the labels, and you have make to return the same market region where you made purchase. And remember the details of your order. You will give you the deadline for making the return, and the return store, you can return your item for free for any store Zara and the same section and was purchased, and the item returned as well of Zara home store. Return dropped of points, and due the cost of the return request is $2.95. This is the cost, guys. If the purchase or register request to return, and if you have made a gas purchase, you can request accessing the link appears of any emails. This is how you can do, guys. Just follow this instruction for your return item. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.